measurement and motion. In this lesson, you will learn about history of transport, measurement of length and motion. One of the most important things that scientists do is to perform experiments. Experiments are done by making measurements. Measurements means giving a number to something that is measurable, such as length, mass and volume. We measure different things with certain instruments. Measurement of most things is very simple today. We have many instruments and tools at our disposal. People in ancient times did not have those facilities. For example, when they traveled from one place to another, they had no way of telling how far they had traveled. They did not have a reliable method to measure distance. Now let's learn the history of transport. Transportation is a means by which people or goods are taken from one place to another. In ancient times, people traveled on foot from one place to another over land. They used simple boats to travel down waterways, such as rivers. Riding on the backs of animals such as donkeys, horses and camels was a milestone in history of transport. It helped people travel faster and cover longer distances on land. As trading grew, transportation of goods became important. In the beginning, people carried lots of goods on their backs. Later, animals were used to carry the load. The invention of the wheel caused a revolution in transport. Carts with wheels were much easier to pull and larger loads could be carried faster. The next revolution in transport came with the invention of the steam engine. With the combination of the steam engine and the wheel, transportation became very efficient. Steam engines were used to power trains on railway, ships in water and wagons on land. Then came the diesel and petrol engines that led to the development of most of the vehicles that we use for transportation today. Now in modern times, we have aeroplanes, helicopters, supersonic jets and rockets. We also have electric trains and cars, nuclear-powered submarines and aircraft carriers. Engineers and scientists are also working on solar-powered vehicles. The different modes of transportation make it possible for people to travel to even the remotest corners of the earth. Human beings have not limited their scope of travel just to the earth they inhabit. Their quest to explore has led to the development of space shuttles that has made space travel possible. As technology is advancing, the means of transportation is becoming more and more exotic. Who knows that the popular means of transportation will be a century from now? Why we need to measure distance or when we go from one place to another, it is of interest to know how far we have traveled. That is, we need to know the distance between the two poles. We may need to know the distance for several reasons. For instance, depending on how far your school is from your home, you may decide to travel on foot, by bus, car or bicycle. In this case, knowing the distance between your home and school helps you in choosing a suitable mode of transport. Please give this video a like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Known for Knowledge.